The Trading Nation team today taking on Biotech, Max Wolff of 55 Capital, Ari Wald with Oppenheimer. Max Wolff, they've had a heck of a run. Do you see more gains ahead, or is it literally just sell everything and run off?
Well, look, it's probably on a short-term basis a little ahead of itself, but I like the names. I think there's a sort of opportunity here. There's unusual dislocation and tumult in the future of healthcare. Who's going to pay for what? Markets don't seem to care about that now. That gives us a little short-term pause. Longer term, we like this trend, the demographics of aging, the global market, and it looks like this is an area that might be relatively less likely to be affected or slammed into by various Twitter policies or public politician-led discussions about drug prices.
All right, Ari Wald, from a chart perspective, the IBB, the biggest of the biotechs, although it is very heavily weighted to just a couple of big names, how does it look technically?
Technically, it looks great, Brian. We recommend buying the industry. One ETF we like a little bit better here, actually, is the S&P Biotech Spider, XBI. It's equally weighted. I think you want to own the smaller to mid-cap stocks in the group, which are actually showing some more relative strength here. If we chart XBI, what we can see is that the ETF is breaking above this 6-month consolidation that it's been in. Now, we think this breakout continues. The reason why is that it's all occurring above a rising 200-day moving average. This is indicative of a bullish trend. So for upside, we think XBI gets back to $80. That'll take the ETF more or less near where it was started to break down back at peak levels around 2015. Very strong setup here, Brian.
Overbought and oversold indicators, such as momentum oscillators, are generally used differently depending on whether the stock is range-bound or trending. Look to buy a range-bound market when an oscillator, such as the RSI or stochastic, falls into oversold territory and then moves back above it. And look to sell a range-bound market when the oscillator rises into overbought territory and then drops below it.
Hey there, thanks for checking out CNBC on YouTube. Be sure to subscribe to stay up to date on all of the day's biggest stories. You can also click on any of the videos around me to watch the latest from CNBC. Thanks for watching.